Welcome to our brand new video. Today we're gonna guide you to the best drones you can buy in 2022. Drones for content creation are getting popular day by day. They gave us a new dimension of shooting video footage, which was very hard to achieve. People had to use aircraft for an aerial shot. Thanks to the latest compact drones, that now anyone can take those immersive shots with much less effort. But all the drones available on the market are not up to the mark. So today, we'll review some of the best drones that will serve your purpose well.
On Tech Insight, we offer the perfect buyer's guide for all kinds of tech products, including PCs, laptops, accessories, and any other tech gadgets you can think of. Our specialized team of tech experts research and analyze the market and create a list based on pricing, quality, features, and user feedback, ensuring you get the absolute best in each category. To find the best suited products according to your specific needs and preferences, watch the full video and look for the purchase links in the description.
DJI is well known for making industry-leading drones for both survey and videography purposes for many years. They're making heavy to ultra-lightweight drones according to customers' demand. DJI Mini 2 is the latest addition to their ultra-lightweight drone lineup. At less than 249 grams, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. It comes with a 12-megapixel sensor with 3-axis gimbal stabilization, enabling most stabilized shots in windy situations, although being a lightweight drone. It shoots at an impressive 4K 30 FPS resolution, being the first of its kind in this lightweight category. Not only the video category, but also captures stunning still aerial images that blow anyone's mind. The OcuSync 2.0 video transmission ensures instant live footage from your drone and supports up to 10 km of HD video transmission, making it a great choice for the professional cinematographer. Its dual-band Wi-Fi signal ensures you don't lose your drone in case of signal interference, as it switches between 2 to 5 GHz frequencies. Flying the Mini 2 is much easier now, thanks to the DJI Fly app that supports a wide range of smartphones. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot for your content. The intelligent mode stores data of using patterns and flies the drone more efficiently to save battery life. So if you are a beginner-level cinematographer and looking for a compact and lightweight drone that can shoot up to 4K resolution, the DJI Mini 2 is the perfect one for you. Our next pick is the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro. This is another ultra-lightweight drone which weighs only 249 grams. Whether you want to take it on a hike, in the mountains, or just enjoy flying your drone around your local neighborhood, the Zino Mini Pro is designed to be functional at all times, regardless of the environment, temperature, or weather. Its foldable form factor helps you to put the drone in your backpack. The drone comes with 3-directional obstacle avoidance sensors to safeguard its body from hitting any object while operating, so you don't have to worry about durability. The Mini Pro houses great camera hardware to take stunning 4K videos and still images. It has a 1/1.3 CMOS sensor with f1.85 super large aperture, which helps capturing more light in low light situations. The built-in intelligent flight battery will keep your drone in the air for up to 40 minutes at a time, with virtually no risk of fall damage. As soon as your Zino Mini Pro detects that the battery levels are running low, it will begin to descend to a safe height. You'll also be alerted of the battery's remaining life by the LED display. The dual-band GPS system ensures that it returns to the takeoff site even if it loses its connection with the remote. So if you want to get the most bang for your buck, the Zino Mini Pro is definitely the drone for you. Moving on to the next drone is the Holy Stone HS700E 4K drone. This drone offers incredible features under $400 that can only be seen on the expensive drones. The HS700E supports 4K 30fps super steady video, and the photos come out very sharp and detailed. It supports EIS technology that reduces video blurring and makes video transmission more stable. It uses pixels outside the border of the visible frame to provide a buffer for changes in direction. The 5 GHz FPV transmission allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. A 90 degrees adjustable camera with a 130 degrees FOV lens can capture a wide view of every precious moment. When the battery is low or the connection between the drone and remote is weak, the drone will trigger the return to home function so that you don't have to worry about losing the drone. The most unique feature of this camera is the dual battery module system. The camera body houses 2 batteries simultaneously that gives a whopping 46 minutes of flight time, which is very rare, especially in this price range. You can also control the drone via your smartphone through Ophelia application. Overall, if you want to have a drone that has both great video shooting capability and prolonged flight time, the Holy Stone HS700E is a recommended drone for you. Next up is the Mavic 3 drone from DJI. It is the latest and top-of-the-line drone from the company. The Mavic 3 brings all the latest drone camera technology that delivers top-quality professional-level videography. Multiple visual sensors enable accurate recognition of objects omnidirectionally, which lets you fly the drone confidently in places like forest and industrial areas. It comes with a dual sensor, the primary sensor being a 20 megapixel 1.33-inch CMOS lens with Hasselblad camera technology, which enables premium quality color grading during post-processing of the video footage. We all know about the color science that Hasselblad offers to their premium cameras. The camera shoots up to 5.1K Apple Pro resolution video, which is the industry standard for high-quality cinematic video. The Mavic 3 Mini lens has variable apertures ranging from f2.8 to f11 that can identify object distance and create beautiful complex aerial shots. Compared to smaller size sensors, it lets you capture images with higher dynamic range and better low-light performance. Mavic 3 delivers epic slow-motion shots with up to 120 fps in 4K. The secondary half-inch is a telecamera that enables up to 28 times zoom, so you don't miss anything from near to far. Mavic 3 makes sure you don't run out of storage as it houses a built-in massive 1TB SSD drive. The Mavic 3 comes with the new DJI RC Pro controller, which has a large crisp display. This time you can let your smartphone rest in your pocket. It has a flight time of 46 minutes, so you don't have to worry about missing anything. So if you're looking for a drone with the highest level of video quality, reliable battery life, and a more secure flight operation, then you can't go wrong with the DJI Mavic 3. DJI FPV is our #1 pick and the best drone on our list. This drone is an example of state-of-the-art technology in this category from DJI. This drone shows how far DJI has come in this drone industry. This is the first FPV drone from DJI and has already become popular among users. This FPV drone enables the perception of viewing the actual pathway of the drone in live action, offering a first-person view of the drone camera. It gives the users the immersive experience of the first-person flight. The FPV drone has a 1/3.2 inches CMOS sensor with a large f2.1 aperture. You can enjoy both 720 pixel footages at 120 fps or 1080 pixel 60 fps directly from the drone. To enhance the experience, DJI created a handheld motion controller to control the drone while wearing the VR on the head based purely on hand motion. FPV flight mode offers multiple modes. N mode enables traditional flight control like any other drone. The S mode enables hyper flight motion, and the third one is the sports mode, where you can fly the drone at the highest speed. You can get extraordinarily fast motion from this drone with up to 87 miles of power in sports mode, enabling you to shoot super fast motion objects. The drone offers O3 transmission, which delivers crystal clear footage with ultra low latency. The HDL transmission technology utilizes a two-way communication system to stabilize signal connections, granting pilots more flexibility while flying through challenging areas. Its flight time is 20 minutes from a single charge, which is quite moderate compared to other traditional drones. The DJI FPV gives a thrilling experience to its users through ultra-motion, first-person view with a great video quality, which makes it the best drone for any kind of promotion shooting scenario, providing you with an unforgettable drone ride. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you never miss a video from Tech Inside.